I can be, but why? Goodness is when it is possible to help all the world, including people, animals, and plants, as much as possible. Goodness is not only giving, but always thinking and doing good things for everyone. Being good is not only because we have enough, but also because we are generous to others. Putting aside hatred, racism, bigotry, nationalism, religious differences, and other differences, with love, unity, empathy, and understanding, goodness is our bridge to cross the waves of problems in the world without anyone getting hurt. Goodness, thinking, and its importance. Goodness is selfless help, the desire to make the world a better place. He who does not expect favors but always gives to people, who is happy with the happiness of his people, who is hungry for his people, who is thirsty for his people, who is happy to solve people's problems by thinking, if it was me in every problem, poor or rich, women and men alike, the impartial selfishness that does not agree is unique. Whose goodness is it? It belongs to all of us, because doing virtue and good is the fruit of faith that has been commanded to us by the Creator, and there is no success in our existence that makes us happier than seeing others benefit from generosity that does not harm us. Boundaries of goodness. Goodness has no country, it has no borders, it doesn't say black and white. It's free service to make people happy, to friends, lovers, family, relatives, rich, poor, children, young, sick, old, male, female, famous, adult, authority, language. For region, nation, country, citizen, religion, etc. To be good without distinguishing them. The profit of goodness. Goodness is to please the Creator above all else, and the price is high. Goodness never ends for the good, happiness lives in them forever. Benefits of goodness. One of the amazing goodness is always satisfied by giving, and the profit is peace of mind, endless blessings, love, inner happiness, physical and mental health, etc. Being good is our responsibility. Be good. May our Creator God help us all and guide us so that we can do good. May God protect Ethiopia and its people forever with mercy and give us peace. Which mean God is with us. Maganu Ninki Ladoti.